recorded to have landed in the Philippines in 1521. So, sa itong kanta ni Yoyoy Villamaser, kanta ni Yoyoy. Taga-isang po siya para ma-refresh ang mga millennials and Gen Z. Aron memorize, kataon to kay Yoyoy.
On March 1921, the Philippines discovered Manila.
So, nasa history kanang ni-show na hospitable ang Filipino. Next slide, please.
Sorry.
So, in pag-yun, si Rahul Mabon and his wife welcome Magellan and his crew festively and peacefully. In fact, mo ni ang festival sa Cebu, which is?
Sinulog.
Sinulog. Mo ba na Sinulog?
Uy!
Yung gano'n ko. Then, yun sa diaries, Filipino are very welcoming, very familiar with us. They took pleasure with them and they were very pleasant and conversable. So, this ano nito mo?